In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Google Docs at once. This is a great skill to have when you're juggling several documents and need to switch between them quickly or compare information side by side. Let's dive in and make handling multiple docs a breeze. First things first, you need to head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the documents you want to open. You can easily identify them by their titles and thumbnails. Once you've found them, click on each document you want to open. Each click will launch the document in a separate browser tab. This gives you a quick and organized way to manage multiple documents without having them cluttered in one single window. Now that you have your documents open in individual tabs, the next thing you'll want to do is manage these tabs more efficiently. To do this, click and drag a tab away from the browser's tab bar. This action will pull it out into its own window. It's as simple as clicking, holding, and pulling the tab down and away from the others. As soon as you do this, the tab becomes a separate window. If you have more documents, just repeat this process for each tab you'd like to see with its own window. The goal here is to give each document its own space so you can easily access and edit them without needing to flip back and forth between tabs, which can often be a time-consuming process. Once your documents are spread out in separate windows, you can resize and position these windows to suit your needs. You might place them side by side, one on top of the other, or arrange them in a way that allows you to see the parts of each document you need. Most modern operating systems make this easy. You can drag the edges of each window to resize them, or use shortcuts to automatically fit them to the sides or corners of your screen. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now able to open and manage multiple Google Docs effectively. This method not only boosts your productivity by letting you handle multiple documents concurrently, but it also gives you a visual overview, helping you perform comparisons or edits without missing a beat. I hope you found these tips helpful. And now, next time you're knee-deep in research or writing projects, remember this technique to streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching, happy editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.